Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of growing your own vegetables. If you value positive health information and want to enrich your whole body, mind, and spirit with the latest science-backed information, subscribe. Knowledge transcends power when you arm your body with the means to defend itself. Living with pollution, pesticides, and pervasive chemicals, it's unsurprising that we compound our woes with stress. Armed with knowledge, you can improve, even thrive. Allow us to assist you in cultivating a rich, healthy, and abundant life with the most current science-supported information. Your journey to self-improvement starts with this video, so let's begin. Hey there, garden lovers. Are you ready to grow your own fresh, delicious veggies with minimal effort? Well, stick around because today we're talking about 10 of the easiest vegetables to grow, even if you have zero experience. Plus, we'll break down their amazing health benefits so you know exactly why you should be growing them. All right, let's get planting. Lettuce is super easy to grow in pots, raised beds, or straight in the ground. Just sprinkle the seeds, keep the soil moist, and in a few weeks, boom, fresh, crisp lettuce for your salads. Health benefits, packed with vitamins A, K, and C for healthy skin and immunity. Hydrating and low-calorie, perfect for weight management. Supports digestion with fiber and water content. Radishes are like the sprinters of the veggie world. They grow fast in as little as 3 weeks. Just plant the seeds, water them, and enjoy their spicy crunch in no time. Health benefits: high in antioxidants to fight inflammation, supports liver and kidney health, aids digestion, and helps detox the body. Popeye was onto something. Spinach is a nutrient powerhouse. It grows quickly and thrives in cooler weather, making it great for spring and fall. Spinach is loaded with iron for energy and oxygen circulation. It's high in vitamin C for immune support and great for eye health due to lutein and zeaxanthin. Carrots are a set-it-and-forget-it crop. They grow underground, so you don't need to worry about pests munching on them too much. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene for sharp vision. They support heart health with fiber and potassium and strengthen the immune system with antioxidants. Green beans grow like crazy, especially if you give them a little support to climb. They'll keep producing all season long. Green beans are high in fiber for a happy gut. They're rich in vitamins A, C, and K for strong bones and help regulate blood sugar levels. Tomatoes are one of the most rewarding veggies to grow. They flourish in pots, hanging baskets, or garden beds. Just give them sun and water. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, an antioxidant linked to heart health. They support skin health and fight aging, and are great for brain function and memory. If you plant zucchini, be ready for a big harvest. These guys grow fast and produce a ton of veggies per plant. Health benefits: low in calories but high in vitamins B6 and C. Supports digestion and gut health with fiber, hydrating and great for weight loss. Cucumbers are another low-maintenance veggie. They love warm weather and grow well in containers or directly in the ground. Health benefits: hydrating and refreshing, supports healthy skin and fights puffiness, helps regulate blood sugar levels. Bell peppers come in a rainbow of colors and are surprisingly easy to grow. Just give them warm weather and some love. Health benefits: packed with vitamin C, even more than oranges, boosts metabolism and supports weight loss, great for immune function and skin health. Kale is a superfood and one of the most resilient greens you can grow. It even survives frost, making it a great year-round veggie. Health benefits: loaded with calcium for strong bones, high in antioxidants to fight disease, supports brain health and mood. And there you have it, 10 of the easiest vegetables to grow that also pack a major punch when it comes to health benefits. Which one are you excited to grow first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video full of healthy, happy living tips. Until next time, happy growing. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found the information enjoyable and helpful. Please remember that the content here is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant health decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thank you for watching and supporting the Benefits of Channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.